Guys, make sure to stay until the end. One common mistake, if you make that mistake, guys, we'll talk about what it is. It can actually cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW 5 Series Generation F10 F11. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where your PDC fuses, this is the park distance control fuses, are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. Transmissions, engines, bodywork, codes, fuses. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Now guys, we took pictures of every fuse box in that BMW, okay? Every fuse box, so we can clearly guys show you where everything is located, so you can clearly see the fuses, because otherwise they're hidden in places where practically we cannot get the camera. So we're going to show you one by one, okay? We have video about every single fuse, every single relay. So let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to guys, okay, find where the fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, watch our video. It will take you probably guys less than 2 minutes, replace that fuse and you're back on the road. Otherwise you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. We make those videos for your convenience. Now we'll make video for every single fuse and every single relay guys, and we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel. Check it out, they can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the PDC fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation BMW 5 Series right here. Now guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW F10 F11, because we have many hidden fuse boxes. What we need to do now, open the passenger door. Then you need to open your glove box. On the very back, on the right side, you have one cover. Remove it, and behind it you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay? And we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, if you want to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a really good price, quick shipping as well guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below guys. Make sure you get some for peace of mind, and you can put some spare ones in the glove box. So the PDC guys, park distance control fuse, where you can expect to find them, it's 3 of them. The first fuse that you need to check will be fuse number 8 right here. Then you need to check that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Fuse number 13 will need to be checked as well. And after that, you need to guys open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, on the right side right here, remove that cover here, that's a cover, and behind it you have another fuse box. Here you're going to check one more fuse, and that fuse guys, it's known as fuse number 134. So if you come in that row here, okay, that will be 136, 135, 134. That fuse right here will need to be checked as well. So you guys have all kinds of different fuses, relays, okay, in that car. So what we recommend guys, okay, buy some spare fuses, relays, put them in a glove box for a peace of mind. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, okay, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. So always keep some spare fuses and relays in your glove box guys, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Hopefully the video was helpful guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.